So uh, imagine you have a routine attached to this, but how do you link a routine to a date?
So I'm going to cancel out of this. So in your routine, so I'm going to go into my routines. Your linked date is right here. So any of these that I've got on, if it's in this automatic section, that means that for the photography date, it's set to active. That's what makes it put into the automatic section. If it's active for the date here, if I was to select 10 people, now this isn't a good example. Let me go to a lead date here. Okay, so let's say, for instance, we've got a database of 50 people that we've selected, and we go into that mass update and we assign the new lead date to a certain date time. It will then start this routine because this field is the same field that we're updating. We're changing it. And soon as we change it, this routine will kick off because it's certainly active. Now, if you want to do that and you don't want the routine to start, you can turn off the active part, set it to off, and then it moves it down into the manual process and it won't kick off automatically. Okay? So kind of depends on how you want to do it. But if you've got it set for automatic, it's set to active, that makes it automatic, then it would go in whenever that record gets updated with that date, that new date that we assign. It's going to create each one of these activities to that contact record automatically, and then it kicks it off, which can be extremely amazing. I mean, you can certainly do that and want that to happen. But if you're doing it and you're not thinking about that, certainly it can be a challenge. And as I'm saying this, and big warning flags and stuff, I don't have it in there, but I'll go ahead and add it in there. Before we allow you to select that, or before we allow you to hit OK, we could go in there and check to see, do we have any routine set to automatic, and at least pop up a little warning. That would help you guys a lot. I didn't think about that until just now.
Like a confirmation, just
continue. Yeah. Are you sure you want to do this? Because you're going to start this routine on this many people.
Yeah.
Does that answer the question? Is that
yes?
Okay, perfect.